Rusia mengklaim telah menyerang pertemuan Komando Angkatan Udara Ukraina. Akibat serangan tersebut, seluruh peserta yang ikut dalam pertemuan tersebut tewas. Diketahui pada Kamis 14 Juli 2022, Rusia menyerang kota Vinnitsa di Ukraina Tengah. Kota tersebut berjarak ratusan kilometer dari garis depan dengan rudal kaliber presisi tinggi berbasis laut. Ukraina mengatakan 23 orang termasuk anak-anak tewas dalam serangan itu. Namun Rusia menegaskan bahwa pihaknya menargetkan militer Ukraina yang tengah melakukan pertemuan. Pertemuan tersebut berfokus pada pasokan jet dan senjata serta perbaikan pesawat Ukraina. Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia menyebut semua peserta tewas akibat serangan tersebut. Selain menyerang pertemuan Komando AU Ukraina, Kemenhan juga mengaku telah menyerang perwakilan pemasok senjata dari barat di kota tersebut. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky langsung mengecam tindakan Rusia tersebut. Zelensky mengatakan jumlah korban di Vinnitsa kemungkinan akan meningkat. Pasalnya puluhan orang masih hilang dan banyak yang dirawat di rumah sakit dalam kondisi kritis.
Kalibr high-precision sea-based missiles were launched at the House of Officers of the garrison in Vinnitsa. The facility hosted a conference of the Ukrainian Armed Forces Command with representatives of foreign armament suppliers aimed at discussing the issues on sending another batch of aircraft, destruction means, as well as on organizing the operation of Ukrainian aircraft. The attack has resulted in the elimination of the conference participants. High-precision attacks of the Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the elimination of 5 command posts and signal nodes, including one of the 10th Air Assault and the 1st Tank Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Proskovyevka, Donetsk People's Republic, and Prosyana, Dnepropetrovsk region. One launching ramp of Bukom-1 air defense missile system near Sol, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 43 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. Within the counter-battery warfare, 2 platoons of Ukrainian MRLS, 2 Getsin B artillery platoons near Dzержinsk, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 84 areas of artillery units have been neutralized. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 18 command posts, as well as 211 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. Fighter aircraft of the Russian aerospace forces have shot down 2 MiG-29 airplanes of Ukrainian Air Force near Slavyansk and Drushkovka, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 2 Su-25 airplanes of the Ukrainian Air Force near Bermashovo, Nikolaev region, as well as 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Balakleya, Izum, Peshchanoe, Ternovaya, Kharkov region, Novaya Kakhovka, Kherson region, and Veselaya Tarasovka, Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, 9 projectiles launched by Uragan MRLS have been intercepted near Kartsysk, Korovy Yar, Kanzhenkova, Donetsk People's Republic, Andreevka, Kharkov region, and Tomarino, Kherson region. In total, 2